Introducing the mother of all soups, the Beacon Hill Soup by Try My Chow. From the famous Beacon Hill Street in Boston.
Soup.
For the meat, we'll be using beef marrow bones, short ribs, and beef shin center. High heat. In a large pot, add 5½ quarts of clean water. Add 2 onions. Add about 10 garlic cloves. Bring it to a boil. Add the bones. Add the beef shin. Add the beef ribs. Add salt to your taste. Bring it to a boil again and remove all the impurities from the broth every time you check the water. Now reduce the heat to medium and let it cook for 1 hour. We need celery, half lime, 2 cabbages, 2 chayotes, 3 potatoes, 3 corn, 3 carrots. Remove the white center of the chayotes. Cut it like that. Leave it in the water for 1 minute. Grab 2 large tomatoes and cut them in half. We will also be using our Brazilian Style BBQ and black pepper for the kick. Cut the 2 cabbages like that and remove the hard part in the middle. Add butter to the mix. Let's add the corn. Now the tomatoes. Add Try My Chow's Brazilian Style BBQ. Add black pepper. Mix it. Cover it and let it cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, add the chayotes. Add the potatoes. Add the carrots. Also add celery. Squeeze half lime in the pot. You can also use this little guy, but it is optional. Bring it to a boil and remove the excess oil. Add the cabbage and cook it for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're done. This soup is everything Boston. It makes you Boston strong like the Boston Marathon.
I went to see the Red Sox over at Fenway Park. I gotta park my car, can't find a place to park. I just broke the law, cause I had a great happy hour. Now my car's buried in snow, I'll need that soup for sure. The Beacon Hill is the spot, my homie's gonna be you. In Little Italy in North End, I got some cake and pastries too. And people drive like crazy, can't call Uber every day. I've got a shovel that snow, I need hot soup for sure. Soup. Come on, man. Give me my chunky soup. It's freaking cold out here. I want my Try My Chow soup.